Section 1. Download installation file. Go to the official website at metrixcoin.com. Then click the Wallet menu. This will jump to Wallet selection page. Select the wallet. On the GitHub page, select the wallet for your system. Download will start. Section 2. Run installation file. Once download completed, click to run the file. On the following page, click Next. Then click Install. After installation is completed, click Finish. Section 3. Run Altitude Wallet. Search and click Altitude Wallet on your desktop. Or alternatively, by clicking Finish from the previous section. For some machines, Windows Security might prompt for permission to run the file. Click Allow Access. Metrix core will initialize and starts to sync. After some time, the wallet will fully synchronize to the latest block. The wallet is now ready.